Swak sa banga! Ano ang English niyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. When someone gets it exactly right, saktong-sakto sa hinahanap mo, you could say you hit the nail on the head. Pwede mo sabihin you got that right, pero para maiba naman, you could say this instead. Which makes sense kasi kung meron kang pako at meron kang martilyo, kung pupukpukin mo siya right on the head, ibig sabihin saktong-sakto dun sa kung saan siya dapat tamaan. And anyone who's taken at least a basic carpentry class would know that hitting the nail na hindi sakto dun sa head, a little to the side, lalo na kung talagang malayo, pwedeng masaktan ka at pwede ring malihis yung pako. Kaya kung swak sa banga, you hit the nail on the head. Now, kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, you could say, I thought Lucy wasn't listening. But when I asked her a question, she hit the nail on the head. Akala ko hindi nakikinig si Lucy, pero nung tinanong ko siya, aba, yung sagot niya, swak sa banga. Alright, that's today's idiom. We have more sa ating idiomacy series. Pwede niyong practicein, gamitin sa trabaho or sa eskwelahan para hindi niyo makalimutan. And of course, don't forget to follow me for more.